AB Medical provides the best quality of blood collection tube. V-Tube, with our technologies, with competitive price, in the global market. V-Tube is a disposable blood collection tube, made of plastic, with vacuum system, to facilitate the predetermined draw, volume of blood. V-Tube contains additives designed to stabilize and preserve the specimen to analytical testing. Our advanced technology, for blood coagulation accelerator, enables rapid blood clotting and stable precise assay of serum. AB Medical provide total solution for the blood collection tube manufacturing, from consulting of the business to the machinery and its maintenance. Rigid components, such as tubes and caps, are derived from injection system. Our injection molds are designed to seize persistent quality and performance.